Today we will see Hop, Skip and Jump Junior KG General Awareness book. In this we have the following contents. I am special, my body, fun time, my senses, keeping clean, do you like, I need food too, your favorite food, food time, my family, my house, safety at home, my school, safety playground, safety jungle gym, safety seesaw, safety slide, be careful, our helpers, places around us, animals world, pets, wild animals, domestic animals, wild or domestic, animals, water animals, plants, colorful flowers, fruits, vegetables, transport, road safety, traffic lights, air around us, water, be safe, hot summer, wet monsoon, cold winter, my computers, learning outcome and checkpoints. The first lesson is I am special. Paste or draw your picture. You need to draw your picture here. There is only one like me in this world. Next, I am special. This is me. Draw your face here. I am dash years old. Write down how many years old. Draw the candles. I like dash color. You can write which color you like and color the crayons. This is my thumbprint. Dip your thumb in paint and print here. You can dip your thumb and you can print here. Then comes my body. Points to the parts of the body. Head, eye, nose, ear, mouth, neck, shoulder, elbow, hand, waist, fingers, knee, leg, foot, toes. Draw 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 mouth and lot of heads. Color the picture here. You need to draw. Next, we have fill in the correct numbers. I have how many hands? 2 hands. I have 2 legs. I have 10 fingers. I have 10 toes. I have 2 eyes. I have 1 nose. I have 2 ears. I have 1 mouth. Next comes fun time. Draw lines to the parts of the body. You need to draw here where the eyes are there. You need to draw here. The same way you can follow for ear, nose, shoulder, elbow, fingers, hands, leg, toes, foot, knee, waist, neck, mouth, head. Next comes my senses. Tick the correct picture. I see with my eyes. You need to tick the correct picture. I smell with my, which is the correct one? You need to tick here. I hear with my, which one is the correct? You need to tick here. I touch with my, how do you touch? With the hand. You need to tick that. I taste with my, how do you taste? With the help of tongue. You need to tick here. Next comes keeping clean. Circle the things that you need to keep clean. You need to circle which you want to keep the things clean here. Next, keeping clean. Do you do this? Circle the picture. What you all do. Whether you wash your hand, brush your teeth. You need to circle here. Next, draw a smiley below the food you like to eat or drink. You can draw a smiley, whichever you like. There is egg, there is milk, there is carrot. Next, I need food to talk, write, stand, sing, play, dance, fun, run, swim, walk. Next we have draw the lines from your favorite food to the lunch box. Which is your favorite food? You need to draw lines here. Next we have circle the food items that can be peeled by hand or a peeler. You can circle which you can peel by hand or with the help of a peeler. You need to circle. Next there is a puzzle. Help Rohan reach his plate of food by saying the name of each food item. You can tell which is the food item and you can help him to reach his plate. The same way here. Next there is a puzzle. Look at the pictures and fill in the boxes. You need to fill this puzzle. This is a cherry. What exactly is it? This is a strawberry. This is a banana. You need to fill the puzzle. Next we have paste photographs of your family members. You can paste your father, mother, brother, sister and me. Next we have my family. Do you like to do these things with your family? Talk about the pictures. You can talk, you can see what exactly you do with your family and you can talk about that. Next there is a puzzle. You need to help Rahul reach his family. You need to solve this puzzle. Next there is my house. There are different rooms in the house. Living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Next we have safety at home. Do not do this. These things you should not do. Next, my school. This is my school. Principal office, library. Then this is the toilet. This is the classroom. This is the playground. Next, circle the things that you are in your classroom. You need to circle. Next, do not do this when playing on a swing. Whichever this you should not do when you are playing in a swing. Next, do not do this when playing in a jungle gym. See, you should not jump like this. Next we have do not do this when playing on a seesaw. Should not do this. Here. Next, safety slide. Do not do this when playing on a slide. You should not do this when you are playing on a slide. Next, be careful. Put a cross mark whenever you can see danger. You can put a cross mark over here. Next, we have our helpers. Here are some people who help us. How many have you seen? Farmer, postman, dentist, plumber, police officer, tailor, nurse, carpenter, baker, electrician, cobbler, mason, pilot, driver, hairdresser, chef, gardener, fireman. Next there is lesson our helpers. Look and say a farmer grows crops, an engine driver drives the train, a teacher teaches us, a nurse takes care of the sick, a carpenter makes things out of wood, a postman brings letter, a doctor treats the sick, a police officer protects us, a plumber fixes taps, a mason builds houses, a driver drives vans, cars and buses, a cobbler mends shoes. Next there is activity. Color the correct word. You need to color who is he. Here, is he a policeman or a postman? Is she a nurse or a doctor? You need to tick the correct one. Next, draw lines to match the people you are likely to meet if you visit these places. You can draw the lines. Where exactly is policeman sits, where exactly will be the teacher, you can draw the lines. Next, there is a puzzle. Help these people reach their workplaces. You can draw a puzzle where exactly the teacher will be. You can draw the puzzle. Next, there is another puzzle. Help the policeman reach the post office. This is another puzzle. Next, you can see places around us. Tick the right mark, the places that are in your neighborhood. Is this the school? You can take hospital, bank, police station, bus stand, fire station, library, cinema hall, post office, supermarket, bakery, park. Next, there is fun time. Match the animals. You can match here. You can match here. Next, match the animals with their names. You can match. There is lion. There is elephant. You can match here. There is giraffe, rabbit, monkey, elephant, lion. Next, some animals are kept at home as pets. Circle the animals that can be kept as pets. You can circle which can be kept as pets. Next, draw or paste a picture of your pet. If you do not have a pet, draw or paste a picture of a pet you would like to have. You can draw and color it. Next, there is wild animals. Wild animals live in jungles. Circle the wild animals that you have seen. You can circle which you have seen. Tiger, snake, deer, hippo, owl, kingfisher, crocodile, rhino, fox, lion, gorilla, elephant, peacock, wolf, giraffe, fox. Write the names of these wild animals. You can write the names here. There is a clue given. You can write the names here. Next is the domestic animals. Domestic animals live around us. Circle the domestic animals that you have seen. You can circle which you have seen. Duck, hen, turkey, sheep, goat, dog, cat, cow, horse, donkey, rabbit. Next, wild or domestic. Here they have given the animals. You need to write down whether that is a wild animal or a domestic animal. Here you can write it down. Next, write the names of these animals. You can write the names of these animals here. Next, there are water animals. Some animals live in water. Lobster, dolphin, turtle, shark, whale, starfish, octopus, jellyfish, coral, sea snake. Next, these are the parts of a plant. This is a flower, this is a leaf, this is a stem, this is a root. Color the plant, draw lines to the correct label. You can color it and you can draw the correct label here. Next, look at the pictures, talk about them. You can talk about these pictures here. Next, now number the pictures in correct order. First there will be a seed, then it will grow into a plant. You can label the correct order. Next, there is colorful flowers, red rose, yellow sunflower, orange marigold, violet dahlia, white jasmine, pink lotus, yellow daffodil, pink show flower. Next there is fun time. Join the dots to complete the picture and color it. You can join the dots and color it. Next, circle the fruits you like to eat. You can circle which fruits you like to eat. There is apple, banana, orange, grapes, papaya, watermelon, custard apple, mango, pineapple. Next, fruits. Color the right fruit. This is apple, you need to color here. The same way you can color for banana, grapes, orange, watermelon, mango. Next comes the vegetables. Tick the right mark for the vegetables you like to eat. There is capsicum, cabbage, brinjal, carrot, peas, onion, potato, tomato, cucumber. Next, vegetables. Match the vegetables with its name. You can match here. There are list of vegetables. You need to match with the correct order. Next, there is transport. Look at the pictures. Repeat their names after your teacher. There is bicycle, motorbike, tonga, auto rickshaw, bus, car, aeroplane, train, sailboat. Next, circle the vehicles that move on land. You can circle the vehicles which move on land. Okay. Next, there is color the means of transport that are used to travel in air. You need to color the pictures. I mean the means of transport that are used to travel in air. These you can color. Next, color the means of transport that you use to cross a river or a sea. You can color here. Next, there is transport. Say what is wrong in the picture. You can check what is wrong. The cars are flying, that is wrong. You need to take that. You need to observe this picture and tell what is wrong in this picture. Next comes road safety. Do not do this. These things you should never do. Should not play on the road. You should not touch the electric pole. These are the things which you should never do. Next, there is traffic lights. Color the traffic lights. You need to color here. Red for stop, yellow for ready, green to go. Traffic lights on the road help you cross the road safely. You need to color here. Next, there is air around us. We need air to live. Plants and animals also need air to live. Who needs air to live? Circle the right picture. You can circle here. Next, there is water. We need water to live. Plants and animals also need water to live. Who needs water to live? You can circle the pictures here. Next, there is be safe. Always wear a safety ring. Do not swim alone. Do not go near water bodies. Do not waste water. Next, this is hot summer. Color this picture here. Next, it is hot during summer. Circle the clothes you like to wear in summer. You can circle which clothes you like to wear in summer. Next, there is wet monsoon. Color the picture here. You need to color. It rains during monsoon. Circle the things you will use during monsoon. You can circle. there is cold winter. It is cold during winter. Circle the things you will use in winter. You can circle here. Then cold winter, you need to color this picture. Next, be safe. Work at your desk. Do not run around in the computer lab. Use the keyboard and the mouse gently. Do not bring food or drinks near the computer. Keep the computer covered when not in use. Do not touch any electrical wires. Yeah, this completes Hop, Skip and Jump Junior KG General Awareness book. Thank you.